Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one we'll be charging customers for Stripe subscription. So here you can see we have our home page, and if I click on the pricing page, I'll be taken to the pricing page where I can see all the subscriptions that are available. So if I go and click on this monthly subscription, subscribe, you'll notice that I'm taken to the checkout page of Stripe, and over here I can fill in the default credit card information, photo, and then any future date. After that, any dummy number, and then a card holder name. And here I can go ahead and choose the address, and after filling in the address I can go ahead and click on subscribe over here. Once I do that, it will start the processing. And there we go, we have the successful payment message coming up over here. So let's now go ahead and explore how this is working. The first thing that we have done is on the pricing page. So let's go to the pricing page. Here we have installed this package at Stripe.js, which you can do as well by going ahead and opening a terminal over here. You can just type in this npm I at stripe/stripe-js. Once you do that, import that package over here. After importing the package, you'll notice that we have added these two lines. Now the load stripe basically takes the stripe key into account and then takes the user to the checkout page. So here we have stripe.redirect to checkout. Now this needs a value. It says session ID. Now from where we are getting this session ID? So to get the session ID, we need to go to the page over here under API subscription ID. Over here, you'll notice that we have imported Stripe first of all, and then after we retrieve the Stripe customer, we are initializing it using the Stripe secret key, and then we are assigning or retrieving the price ID that we have passed from this page using this API subscription ID, and then we have retrieved the same over here. After that, we have created a line item. Now the line item contains two things: the price ID and the quantity. So over here, the quantity by default is set to 1. Then we are creating this session. Now this session basically contains the following: the Stripe customer that we have generated from this, and mode, payment method type. As we can see, we have card set as the method type. Then we have the line item that we just now defined over here, and the success and cancel URL. Once that's done, we are sending this session ID as the response. So this is what is being passed over here when we are redirecting the user to the Stripe checkout page. Now once the user goes on to that page, we have seen they need to enter the card information, and once the payment is successful, it will be redirecting the user to the payment/success.js page, and there they get this message. Similarly, when they will cancel it, they will be redirected to this page as payment cancelled. Now if I go to the Stripe dashboard, and here in the test mode, you go and click on subscriptions, and here you can see the most recent record coming up as monthly subscription active. Billing is set to auto. So that's how easy it is to set up Stripe subscriptions using Next.js.